80D. Oh, I'm excited. So we've got the body and the strap, the battery and the battery charger. Now, have a look at the body. Ooh, lovely. And here is the articulated screen. Oh, look at that. That's nice. So I can spin it all the way around so that I can vlog like that. So what are the differences? Or you can click the screen in like that. So we've got different mode of starting and stopping the video. We've got not only a screen here but an LCD screen on top. Feels good. It's quite light as well actually. It's lighter than I expected it to be. Nice matte feel to it. You got battery compartment there, and then you've got your mic and earphone slot there. You've got the remote input there, and HDMI and your USB in there. Can't wait to get this set up. When you receive your battery, it's going to look like that, and it's going to have that on the back. The orange clip is a protector for the contacts of the battery, so that if it's loose while it's not in the camera, it can't touch anything metal and discharge any of its power. When you take this off, you'll want to keep it, because if you ever go on holiday and you want to take spare batteries, quite a lot of airlines and securities will insist that they are protected. Another thing is that when you first put the battery into the camera, you're going to be greeted with a time display setting the date and time. It's extremely important to make sure that you do set that time. Make sure you set that time and set it up correctly at the exact time, because when you actually take a picture, it embeds the time and date that you took that picture into the metadata of the image, and when you're then offloading all the images onto your computer, it knows when you took the image and it will be able to sort it. People who haven't done that have found that when you're trying to sort out the photos and you're offloading hundreds of photos at a time, it all becomes garbled and messed up, and you really don't want that. You can make it nice and organised just by taking 2 minutes at the very beginning when you first get your camera and set up the date and time of the camera. Probably the next time you see this camera, it'll actually be in use.